How anesthetic work. In this video we will learn about the anesthetic working. So first of all we will need to understand the coordination control. So we will learn with the anesthetic work. So this is the presynaptic neuron, afferent neuron, which that will be give the stimulation after the stimulus, and this stimuli can be a touch or other, the pain, and in this way the afferent neuron as a sensory neuron will sense the signal, and this contains the soma, the Schwann cell, axon, and nerve end. And in this way, the stimulation will target to the synapse with other neuron, interneuron. And in this way, the stimulation to efferent or interneuron. So the efferent neuron can be motor neuron, for example, efferent neuron. And this efferent neuron will target to the muscle. And the efferent neuron basically contain a neuromuscular junction, while the synapse are present between the two neurons. While the muscle and the nerves, a synapse is known as the neuromuscular junction. So the neuromuscular junction contains a neurotransmitter receptor, acetylcholine receptor. The acetylcholine is the neurotransmitter we exocytosed into the neuromuscular junction will bind with the muscle cell. So here is the epimysium, endomysium, and the muscle cell containing inside the muscle fibers contain muscle fibril, and these muscle fibers contain sarcomere, the muscle fibril. And in this way, the sarcomere is the basic structural and functional unit of the contraction of the muscle. So let's begin to understand from synapse and how the anesthetic will target. So first of all, here is the neuromuscular junction, and in this way the neurotransmitter will bind with the sodium, will exchange, and calcium move inside will lead to contraction when troponin will bind with the calcium. So here you can see this is a stimulation. Here you can see this is the synapse between the presynaptic neuron and the postsynaptic neuron. And this presynaptic neuron and postsynaptic neuron, the sodium channel and potassium channel. Basically, the anesthetic will target the sodium channel will block, and the sodium will not move inside because the resistance will lead to depolarization inhibition. In this way the signal can not be sent. So also the neuromuscular junction, the target of the anesthetic also on the neuromuscular junction. So the neuromuscular junction, the neuron, the end terminal, the synaptic node, this is the pre-neuron. This pre-neuron contains vesicle, and this vesicle will be exocytosed into the neuromuscular junction, into the synapse between the muscle and the neuron. And it will target to the a neurotransmitter receptor, but it will inhibit via anesthetic, or the sodium channel will be blocked again. So the calcium will not move inside, so the troponin will not bind with the calcium, and depolarization inhibition will lead to no movement, no contraction. So that is why the anesthetic will lead to unconscious person. So thanks for watching. Bye.